Mm-hmm. You know.
Let's wait for everybody here with the sun here. So you can stand up here, and I'm going to stand up over here so we can face this way. Hey, sir! See, that is what is forbidden to
Yeah.
You get that part, but you can put this part on top of the order.
Both with his head.
You see, let me say, we still have kind of people that don't love nature, that don't respect rules. As you see, now my colleague is going to take actions. What will happen with him? He will not disembark the next coming days. That is what we do. Yes? Yes, because if they are not respectful with Mother Nature, that I was very clear with the rules, don't touch anything.
I'll get there eventually.
That is what
I don't want to get in front of people.
actions. We have pictures of what he was doing. Easy. So look at that. Beautiful. They just leave. Excellent. The two groups are going and look for pictures. Look for pictures.
You can get in front without blocking people.
Is that the one with the long neck or no?
Thank you for that question. This is the one with the short neck. This is the dome type shell. Dome. You know what? I'm not worried if I cannot take a picture of you with the giant tortoises, because in my home island, in the wild, we're going to see them. And I can promise you that over there I will have a good picture of you with the giant tortoises. Let's just enjoy. We are not in a rush. Maybe they are in a rush. The other two groups, you can just enjoy and relax. To see how that juvenile giant tortoise is walking in the
Did you get it?
I think so, but the screen's black, so I can't really.
That's what it is.
Excellent question.
I think I got it.
Turned up to save battery.
My assistant, Harry, right? Henry, can I have your walking stick? Just one. Please, how do we guess the age of the giant tortoise? I'm not good with this, but I'm just, okay? This is the shell of a giant tortoise.